Hi, hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Oxylabs, Oxylab Web Scraper API. So for example, if you want to extract complete data from this page, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a workflow using make.com. So I already created the Oxylab, signed up, and I got an API key. So if you want to access and play around with this, so it's go to oxylabs.io and there you can just sign up and then you can access your API key. So imagine this is a playground, so you can test it. So this is the website I'm going to scrape. You have different options, for example Amazon, Google Shopping, Bing, Google, YouTube. So imagine right now I'm going to scrape a website Amazon, and it's going to be URL, and this is the URL I'm going to scrape or extract the data from. So what happens is when I click on submit result, you will see the complete output in this format. So this is really amazing because you can be able to extract the data from this page completely. So I'm going to do this and save this, and I'm going to automate this in make.com. So once you have this API key and once you have all the information, I also before you test it in make.com, you can also test it directly in Postman. So Postman is to test your API whether you get all the information. So for example, this is my URL, https realtime.oxylabs.io/v1/queries, and then authorization I'm going to use basic auth, and you will get the username and password when you create the account in Oxylabs. And third thing is the body, and in this body I need to mention a JSON because the JSON format is actually source is Amazon product and query, and this is the ASIN number that you get it from you can see in the URL of Amazon website, and then you need to also mention the geolocation, and you can completely extract the data through this thing. So this is what I did. So you can I will also do it again so you will get an idea what happens. So here we go. So you can see complete data of this queries, and you have extracted the data from this page and according to the query that you have given. So let's go back to the make.com, and I'm going to show you the scenario. So this is an HTTP module and JSON and Google Sheet. So in this HTTP module, you can the URL is again https:/realtime.oxylabs.io/v1/queries. So its method is going to be post, and then the body type is raw, and content type is called JSON application JSON. So the request content in this case, I'm going to request another content. Source is Amazon, parse is true, URL is amazon.de/macbook. So and I'm going to search it in .de local, that is in Germany. So I need to give my username and password, and once I have given this, click on save. So I created a Google Sheet that's called Oxy lab test, and I created the sheet 1. So what I'm going to do is actually the result that I get from the Oxylab web scraper, I'm going to store it out in the different columns in my Excel sheet. So let's test this out and check out how this really works out. So I'm really excited. Let's see what's happening there. So click on the run once, and then you can see here the complete data has been successfully, this scenario has been successfully passed, and you can see the data here in this information. So you have all the information here, and if you want to check your Excel sheet, you can see that this information is all stored out here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video.